Hello and welcome to SMable. Today we will be seeing the basic origami symbols and folds. Let's begin with the valley fold. First, we'll fold from the bottom to the top from the front as shown. Next up is the mountain fold. It's quite similar to the valley fold. It's just you have to fold from behind from the top to the bottom. Next is the pocket fold. Fold the paper from right to left. Fold the top corner towards the side and back. Now fold the top into the center and crease it. Similar to the pocket fold is the hood fold. First fold in half from left to right. Now fold the top corner forward and backward to make a crease and unfold it. Now fold the top corner at the crease inside out and reverse the middle crease like this. This is a hood fold. Next is a step fold. As the name indicates, this fold is made by combining a valley fold and a mountain fold to form a kind of pleat. This is how it looks once it's done. And at last we have the squash fold. Fold the paper in half and unfold it. Fold the top right corner forward and backward to make a crease and unfold it. Press the top right corner at its upper edge to open it into a triangle and flatten it like this. This is a squash fold. So, these are the basic origami symbols and folds. If you like this video, do like and subscribe, and for more such videos, keep watching SMable.